I do heaps of wholesale, heaps. And pretty much now my main strategy with wholesale is to use it to test product ideas out. So what does that mean? Well, here's what I do. I will go, let's just say we're going to be in Amazon in Australia, just for ease of chatting about it. If I've got 10 ideas for 10 different products, I will look for that product that I can wholesale and buy a minimal amount of stock, like 10 units of it. So already my MOQ, minimum order quantity, is tiny, all right? And I don't really care about selling out of that stock, because what I'm trying to do is just test the idea. So if my idea is to sell laptop cases for kids to go to school with, something like that, I don't know, then I'll find a laptop case for children. I wonder. Well, isn't that interesting? There you go. That's a cool product idea right there. I don't know about you, but my kids have to take their laptops to school now. I'm pretty sure a lot of schools, you take your laptops in and you want to put them into something, and here's laptop case for kids, and there's 0 options for me to buy something. 0. How very interesting. Anyway, we're doing well on the products tonight. So I would find a wholesaler to wholesale that product for me. I would then get it up. I wouldn't care about, too much about the listing. I just want to test it. I want to see if I can make a sale. I want to see if my idea is crap or not. And then those ideas that work, that I can make some sales, what I do is this. I keep the wholesale product selling. I don't stop. I keep the wholesale product selling, and I then set about creating my own private label version of it. I create my own private label version of it, and then I sell that too. So I don't stop selling the wholesale one. That carries on selling. All good. Money, money, money. Yes, please. But I also create my own private label version of it, which I can then brand in my own particular brand, if that makes sense. That's a cool idea. Somebody should do this for sure. Both of my daughters, my eldest is 12, my youngest is 7. They both have to take laptops to school. Laptop case for kids ought to be a no-brainer, but nothing. Anyway, good idea right there. And then about my product. Okay. If you want to learn how to do that, yes. Wholesale. Amazon, just type that into amazon.com.au, and there's a book that is exactly 99 cents. I really ought to put that up. I keep forgetting to put it up. But it's 99 cents to buy my Amazon Wholesale Insights book. Now, is that as good as my complete wholesale training program, which you can get to from here? Advanced training, Amazon Wholesale Training. Is it as good? No, it's not as good. It's not as good. How could it be as good? One is a book, the other is a complete video series. How could they be as good? All right. But if you're broke and you've only got 99 cents and you want to just get some basics, that's pretty cool. Great way to get yourself started. If you've got some more money and you want to do it properly, then go and get the course. I mean, the course is still cheap, but no, a wholesale is not at all covered in the standard AOE course, okay? 0 about wholesale is in the AOE course. So if you want to learn wholesale, that's what you need to go and do. The AOE course is all about private label. That's what I focused on. Because with private label, you make more money. That's it. You make more money. Because you're not paying per product sale, you will make more money. That's why I focus on private label. I still do wholesale, but I use it to test out ideas. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.